So today we are going to try the Chin Lift by Wishful Skin. So I gotta say, I'm a little skeptical. I mean, what is this supposed to do? Is it literally going to lift my face? So the sticky side goes on my chin like that, just like that. The material is made out of cotton and it's surprisingly very flexible. According to the brand, it should mimic the elasticity of your face without it being too tight or uncomfortable. The mask contains peptides, niacinamide, and peppermint, which is supposed to hydrate, lift, and reduce puffiness. Next up, guys, we're going to try the Pixi Detoxifying Eye Mask because why not? Double the masking, twice the fun. This eye mask contains cucumber and caffeine, which helps depuff the skin under the eyes and give it that full blast of hydration. Surprisingly, the eye mask and the chin lift both have cooling sensations, which I love, but let's be for reals, I chose these two masks because they're both the color green. Overall, I enjoyed both masks. I love the way it made my skin feel, but I don't really see that there was any lifting or sculpting involved in the chin area. I think with continued use and consistency, the results would be more apparent.